Okay, so I've got my, just going back to CSS, the video is getting a bit long. I've specified some formatting for the header. So let's just go back to the page. Where's my header? Here's my header tag. It's inside the body. So I had a logo, got an image for that. I got the name of the header, and there's a search bar as well inside the header tag that we need to style. So I want to kind of look at the content of that. So I said I'd talk to you about this class and how we've named them. So I've got this header logo, and I'm going to find that in my CSS. There it is, and it's prefixed with a dot because it is a class, defined as a class in the HTML file, thinking about HTML5. Okay, so this particular class is called header logo. So inside my CSS, I set styling for that, and I've prefixed it with this dot here. So I'm saying I want it to float left, and that just means that the entire header logo block will be shifted to the left. Okay, let me go back. Let's get this PowerPoint up so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Sorry. Spoke about the idea of this box model and how we can have elements lying on the page. So when I say I'm shifting it to the left, I'm saying that it's going to be stuck to the left, or floating, you know, to the left of the page, and it's going to have a margin of 10 pixels, however big that might be on here. Okay, so that's what I mean when I say that. Here you can see there's a child to this class, which is an image. So I've got this header logo class, and inside there's an image tag. Now what I want to do is I want to show you how I'm linking the class with the image, so the parent and the child. Here it is. You can see I'm still using the header logo class, but now I'm saying where the tag image, so where the img tag is attached, this is the style I want it to have. So we can have these parent and children type relationships even in CSS. So I'm a header logo class, and it will look for the header logo and it will give it this formatting. Then it's going to look for this class again, but it's going to look for where it's got an image tag attached to it, and it's going to give the image this type of styling. I can make that smaller if I wanted, 30 and 30, so width and height. Actually, let me show you what it looks like now. So the header logo is there, and I've made it smaller, so let me just save that. Actually, I'm just trying to remember what it was I did there. Yeah, blah blah. Let's just refresh. Do you see what's happened as I've moved things around? The logo's got a lot smaller, so things have shifted back that way. Way too small though, as you can see. So if I make it 80, let's see what happens. Refresh. There you go, and you've got the image is shifted in there. So we're talking about inline styles here and block styles. You see the difference, things drop underneath and around each other, but it's a good way to play about with that. So 60 was perfect actually, so there you go. All right, so I'm going to move on.